A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a root word to change its meaning. We shall use prefixes for pronunciation and vocabulary building.
Prefix.
A or an, pronounced a or a or n.
Meaning. Without. Lack of. Not. Examples. Amoral. Acellular. Abyss. Achromatic. Anhydrous. Asexual. Atheist. Atonal. Aphasic. Prefix.
AC, pronounced act.
Meaning. With. Example. Accompany. Accomplice. Accessory. Prefix.
AMBI, pronounced MB.
Meaning. Both. Examples. Ambiguous. Ambidextrous. Ambivalent. Ambitendency. Ambivert. Ambiguity. Prefix.
AMPHI, pronounced amphi.
Meaning. Around. To. Both. Both sides. Examples. Amphiester. Amphitheater. Amphibian or amphibious. Amphibiotic. Prefix.
ANTE, pronounced anti.
Meaning. Before. Earlier. In front of. Examples. Antecedent. Antedate. Antemeridian. Anterior. Prefix.
ANTI, pronounced sometimes anti, sometimes anti.
Meaning. Against. Opposite of. Examples. Anticlimax. Anti-aircraft. Antiperspirant. Antivirus. Antiseptic. Antibody. Antimatter. Antitrust. Anti-war. Prefix.
APO, pronounced apple, and AP, pronounced app.
Meaning. Away from. Detached. Examples. Apogee. Apomorphine. Apart. Apartheid. Aphelion. Apathetic. Apex. Prefix.
ARCH, pronounced sometimes as arch, other times as arc.
Meaning. Supreme. Highest. Worst. Examples. Archenemy. Archrival. Archbishop. Archdiocese. Archangel. Archaeology. Archaic. Prefix.
ASTRO, pronounced as astro when the stress is on as, and astra when the stress is on stra.
Meaning. Star. Examples. Astronaut. Astronautics. Astrobiology. Astronomical. Astrology. Astronomy. Astronomer. Prefix.
AUTO when the stress is on the first syllable, pronounced as auto, or ata when the stress is on the second syllable.
Meaning. Self. Same. Examples. Automatic. Autopilot. Autobiography. Automobile. Autofocus. Autonomy. Autophagy. Autonomous. Prefix.
BE pronounced as B.
Meaning. About. Become. Examples. Befriend. Bedeviled. Become. bedazzle, bewitch. Prefix.
bene, pronounced bene.
Meaning. Good. Examples. Beneficent, benevolent, benefactor, benediction, beneficiary, benefit. Prefix.
bi, pronounced as by, and some rare times as b.
Meaning. 2. Examples. Biannual, bicycle, bicameral, bicentenary, biped, biennial, biannual, biathlon, bipolar. Prefix.
bio, sometimes pronounced as bio, other times as baya.
Meaning. Life. Examples. Biographical, biodiversity, biodiesel, biology, biologist. Prefix.
circum, pronounced circum.
Meaning. Around, surrounding. Examples. Circumvent, circumnavigate, circumscribe. Prefix.
cis, pronounced cis.
Meaning. On the side of. Examples. Cislunar, cisgender, cistern. Prefix.
co, pronounced co.
Meaning. With, together. Examples. Co-worker, cooperation, co-pilot, coexist, co-author, coalition, coalesce, cohabit. Prefix.
com and con, pronounced cum or kun, and co, pronounced k.
Meaning. Together. With. Examples. Companion, commingle, confederation, contact, colleague, collaboration, correlation, coordinate. Prefix.
contra, contra, contro, contro.
Meaning. Against, opposite. Examples. Contradict, contrast, contrary, contraband, contrast, contraception, controversy, controvert. Prefix.
counter, counter.
Meaning. Against, in opposition to. Examples. Counterattack, counterbalance, counteract, counterclockwise, counterpart. Prefix.
cryo, pronounced creo or crya.
Meaning. Ice. Examples. Cryogenics, cryotherapy, cryosurgery, cryoprobe, cryonics. Prefix.
crypto, pronounced crypto or crypta.
Meaning. Hidden, secret. Examples. Cryptologist, cryptography, cryptocurrency. Prefix.
de, pronounced d.
Meaning. Down, off, away from. Examples. Devalue, depress, deactivate, debug, degrade, deduce, descend, de-emphasize, debilitate, distress. Prefix.
demi, pronounced demi.
Meaning. Half. Examples. Demiurge, demigod, demimonde, demi-world, demitas. Prefix,
demo, pronounced dema or demo.
meaning, people. Examples, democracy, democratize, demography, demographer, democrat.
Di, pronounced die or di.
Prefix, meaning, two. Examples, dichotomy, dissect, dioxide, dialogue, dipolar, diaphragm, digamy. Prefix,
dia, pronounced dia.
meaning, through. Examples, dialysis, diameter, diabetes, diagram, diagrammatic. Prefix,
dis, that can become dif, div, dys, is pronounced dis or dis.
meaning, not, apart, away, opposite of. Examples, disappear, dispar, disconnect, disinformation, disloyal, disagree, differ, diffraction, diffuse, divide, diver, diversity, dyslexia, dysmorphic. Prefix,
Du or duo, pronounced do, but sometimes you might hear it pronounced Jew.
meaning, two. Examples, dubious, dual, duality, duet, duologue, duopoly. Prefix,
En, sometimes em, pronounced n or m.
meaning, put into, cover with. Examples, encircle, enclose, entangle, enslave, encase, embark. Empathy. Prefix,
endo, pronounced endo.
meaning, internal. Examples, endocarditis, endocrine,